Government don commend immigration officer when he reject 10 million naira bribe. Welcome country people to Synod Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. E go ring once we drop update. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. Una go recall, country people, say recently e get the tori of one immigration officer, Ugochukwu Orji, when he reject 10 million naira bribe from one notorious kidnapper and native doctor when his name na Onyeka Wombo alias Ezeani. The immigration officer so he spot Onyeka when he dey try to escape enter Benin Republic through the Seme border. Na there he come pursue the man, he come intercept the man, and the man he come try to bribe am with 10 million naira and iPhone 13 Pro Max. But Ugochukwu Orji, because of his integrity, he refused. He come arrest the man and hand am over to the authorities. Na so, this act of the man, many people consider am say e dey heroic, that Nigerians not get plenty fine officers like this man when he display integrity in the presence of lack. Many people come dey make commentary. Some say if na some other immigration officers sef, dem for collect the money put for pocket, the man for don escape comot for the country since. But others say even if na police be intercept that man, e say the money for don disappear. Allegedly, this na their opinion. But Ugochukwu, he refuse to do anything like that. People come dey praise Ugochukwu for this thing when he do so, and say officer dey like that when he get integrity. This action of the man now, e don attract the government of Abia State, as the governor Alex Otti, he don commend the man who come happen to be say na Abia State indigene. The governor say the state go celebrate the man in due course. He come say make the officer not dey discouraged by anybody when he dey mock am, say he reject the bribe. Governor Otti, he dey praise this man so for weekend when he receive top members of Oha Isialangwa when he organize civic reception and appreciation for officer Ugochukwu. He say the immigration officer, Mr. Ugochukwu Orji, he perform his job very well because he demonstrate honesty and he choose to be good ambassador for his community and Abia State at large. He can say wetin the man do, e dey typical of Abia people. He say just like one gentleman, when he return huge sum of money and they celebrate am, he say na make dem celebrate Ugochukwu too. When he reject bribe money, he come catch criminal. The governor say 10 million naira na plenty money and he for fit do plenty things with am. He say but he reject am. He say and he reject am because he no earn am. So he want to encourage am, make he continue to serve in a straightforward manner. He say this example, so when he don show, make he hold on to am. And so the governor come tell the officer. The governor come say he dey shock, say some people dey mock the immigration officer, say e no collect the bribe from a suspected ritualist for Seme border. E come encourage am make e no allow all those dishonest talks to disturb am at all. E say e dey foolish to think say person go fit cheat im way out and then become big man tomorrow. E say whatever person get illegally, e say somehow, someday, somewhere, e say the person go lose am and e go pay for am. E say so all those when e dey mock the immigration officer say e reject 10 million naira bribe, e say the talk no make sense. My country people, this commendation so when they dey give this immigration officer Ugochukwu so, at least na good thing. E show say Nigerians still get place to take appreciate honest people. Things like this dey happen and dem no dey hear any story because people when e dey involved, they go quietly collect money, and this type of money na blood money because na money where people don kpai for the matter. Imagine the scenario where they say they see a supposedly pregnant woman for inside the soakaway when e don kpai. Na blood money, and any officer when e collect that type of money, na be say directly and indirectly e don contribute to the death of these people when these ritualists dem don already kpai. And so some people dey say, see how the evil of some ugly men e don bring fortune to some people for the society. Many dey pray for the officer. They say God go bless am more. They dey tell am congratulations, say God go guide am for all e days for service. Another person dey say, another Igbo man from Abia state, he say like the woman when he stand out and reject bribe, when they take bring Abia state governor to office, he say these people dey wonderful. He say they dey God fearing. He say which region go fit challenge them for Nigeria? He say they be special people, and he say if Nigeria go dey well, then people from that area supposed to lead the country. One other person come dey say, as they say Igbo love money reach and they go fit sell their brother. He say this na somebody when he reject blood money. He say wetin else again somebody wan talk. Country people, this action of Ugochukwu na action when e dey praiseworthy. Like Bible go talk, e say if anything dey praiseworthy, make we think about am. Na so Ugochukwu don make Nigerians proud, and e come make Nigerians dey pray say this is sterling action. So say na God na go reward am. Like somebody talk, he say Oga Ugochukwu dalu o, Chukwu gozie gi. My country people, this na the tori of immigration officer when he reject 10 million naira bribe, and now the whole country don dey commend am, say make e no dey discouraged, that wetin he do e dey commendable. Anybody when he dey talk say he suppose to collect the money, he say na foolish talk. Wetin una talk for this matter?